Well, cousins, as y'all can see, it's time to leave the RV park.
Hold it.
I ain't holding it. I ain't doing all that. Don't throw my stuff back.
What you finna do with
I'm
it?
finna put it in the bucket.
For what?
Because I'm keeping it. What up, cousins? I know y'all missed my face because I missed y'all in my comments. But anyway, cousins, as you can see from the title, leaving the campground. And you're going to see some of these activities we've been doing, cousin. We've been enjoying life, and I hope y'all have been doing the same. And I already know y'all, my volume is a little messed up, but y'all know that's neither here nor there. I was going to still put my video out. Even though my video take 24 hours to load because my internet is trash, y'all, I'm still getting these videos out. I'm not making excuses. I'm making it happen. But anyway, cousins, we finna get to this video. Okay, cousins, this is the first lake that we end up. As y'all can see, it is daytime, but by the time we leave, it will be nighttime. And if you're a fisherman, you know exactly what I mean. You leave early in the daytime and you come back at nighttime. Because when you get in the groove, you be in the groove. But let me stop talking and let's get into this fishing. As y'all can see, you see the man sitting over there? We met him while we was fishing. He pretty cool. He said he 85. He don't look like it. But anyway, y'all, as y'all can see, I did get a little catch. It was small, but you know, it was what it was. I was too happy. I had to get it close up so y'all could see. Look at it. We didn't fry him up because he was a little bit too little, but I was just wanting to keep him just because I was proud. I ain't used to catching none. My two little catches. I'm about to throw back. They so little. These I ain't finna fry them little thing. Give him my hand so I can show you.
Hopefully just a couple.
Leaving out. My only RV friend. As y'all can see, we back the next day. I had to come back and try to get me a win up on what I got yesterday. But y'all can see I caught another little fish, and I'm proud of my little fish, baby. Yep, I'm proud of it. But y'all can't talk about me too bad, because look at this big one right here. Y'all, it was so big, it broke the line. I was scared of it. I ain't gonna lie. At nighttime, it looked like a shark, y'all. It looked just like a shark. I was scared. Look at me. I was scared a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna cut me. Like a shark. Look at little duckies. Y'all see my light up ball? The duck's running from it. Yeah.
Nice size cat.
Okay. Tell me your girl don't know what she doing.
Hold it.
I ain't holding it. I ain't doing all that. Don't throw my stuff back.
What you finna do with
I'm
it?
finna put it in the bucket.
For what?
Because I'm keeping it. What the fuck? D, stop. Wait a minute. Shit.
Get the motherfucker there.
Stop.
Get it. Get it.
Hold on. I want to take my picture and shit. Damn.
Get him.
They wait.
You gotta take a picture holding him like this.
Okay. Oh, y'all, I caught this big motherfucker. Oh, y'all.
Come on, man.
As y'all can see, I got my nerves up to take the picture, but I was scared. Okay, y'all, it is the next day. We are at another lake. We want to try our luck somewhere else since Bay wasn't having such good luck. As y'all can see, they is telling y'all that they do have coyote. I say wolves out here. So I look at this, I ain't know what to think about it, but we stayed and fished, and actually, to me, my husband liked this one better than the other lake. Y'all about to see why. But anyway, y'all, look at these footprints. They wolves. As y'all can see, we weren't even here 15 minutes, and he already got him a little catch. That's why he liked this one so much. Y'all look, he about to throw it back though because it's small. But yeah, he didn't got a catch already. Nah, Bay caught another one.
Little baby.
He could throw that one back though.
Hold on.
Look at that snake. As y'all can see, we one other only one out here fishing. Y'all see that snake just didn't put a little head up. I want y'all to see it. And it's crazy because I was sitting on this thing with my leg hanging down, and D just caught a big snake on his line. I didn't get a chance to get that, but that was the second snake. That one was a small one, but the one he caught was a big one. So yeah, y'all, it's definitely snakes out here. That boy is on it. He done caught another one. Let me see that mouth, babe. Oh, yes, look at that mouth. Hold this horn. Let's see how big it is, babe. Let me get a picture. Yeah, y'all see it. He caught a big bass. So now y'all see why this is his favorite lake. Look at him. I'm his biggest height woman, y'all. I was just as happy as he was. That was a big one, y'all. I can't lie. That was a big one. We didn't keep these either. We gave these away to somebody out there that was having a party. So cousin, if you like that video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think about it, and let me know if y'all want to see some more videos like that. Appreciate y'all for watching, cousin. See you on the next video, and remember, have fun, live life, and be great.